So when we're looking to connect our phone, in our home screen, we need to look for full link. We click on full link, and that'll give our options to connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We can do this with a wire, or we can do this wirelessly. And today we're going to do this wirelessly. It says no known full link devices because nothing's currently connected. If we go to device management, we've got no devices. You can see the car's name there is visible, but if you do go to settings, you'll also find the Bluetooth. We can see that's on, visibility is on, and device name too. If we want to change the device name, we simply click on it and we can change that name to whatever we would like. So if we head back all the way to the beginning and we want to connect a phone, so we're going to connect an iPhone, we need to head into settings and into general, and then we need to hit CarPlay, and then we're going to wait for the car to appear. Now, we also want to tap on CarPlay here, so we're going to tap on there, and we're going to see the name of the car come up. We can hotspot it. So what we want to do is basically wait for the CUPRA name, so CUPRA 9283 to come up, and we're going to click on that on our phone, which is going to automatically initiate the pairing. Then it will ask you to double check the number, which is correct. I'm going to click pair on my phone and yes on the car. It'll then ask us on the phone if we want to connect to CarPlay. We'll click connect. And if we want to use Bluetooth or CarPlay, so we're going to click CarPlay, and it will connect the two together. And there we have it, already connected, ready to go. And that is done wirelessly. So if we head back to our menu, as you can see now, the full link is now turned to CarPlay. And if we've been using other features of our car, let's say our satellite navigation, we've been changing the radio, for example. If we can have our contacts, as you see, iPhone is connected. If we do want to connect back to it, we just simply go to CarPlay and it will show us our screen. We've got our shortcut settings, and we've also got our different map views too. So if we have got a phone connected that we do want to disconnect, then we can do that as well. But obviously we've not got full link. We've got CarPlay. So we want to actually head into settings. And then we want to head to network, then mobile devices. And then we will see all the known and connected devices. So as we can see, we've got Apple CarPlay there. And we've got the option to get rid of that device too. We can click on that and it will kick that device off and it is gone from the car. And then we're able to actually go back to the beginning. So you'll see now that that's actually changed from CarPlay to full links, and we can click on there and we can start the process again to connect our new phone.